Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Heem Kaur Saroy and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now. President Donald Trump issues executive order ending the economic sanctions on Syria in a move that the White House says was aimed at promoting and supporting the country's path to stability and peace. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi rules out quick resumption of talks with the United States as suggested by Trump, says Tehran will first need assurances that it will not be attacked again. Russian state media claims Moscow has taken control of the first village in Ukraine's Dnipropetrovsk region. An official says Russia has now full control over the Luhansk region. Elon Musk says a new party called the America Party will be formed if President Trump's spending bill passes. Also threatens to target lawmakers, those voting for the bill in the primary next year. China announces sanctions on former Philippine Senate leader Francis Tolentino, a key ally of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Tolentino is the principal author of the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, a legislation that asserts Manila's claims in the South China Sea.
Brazil has Scorpene submarines. They are interested in partnering with us in maintaining those submarines. They also seem to be interested in the Akash air defense system and in coastal surveillance systems, Garuda artillery guns.
Brazil has expressed interest in acquiring several of India's homegrown defense solutions, including Akash air defense systems, Garuda artillery guns, and secure communication systems. India's weather agency issues red alert for Himachal Pradesh as Beas River experiences severe flooding due to very heavy rainfall in the region. Canada drops its digital tax on US tech giants, paving the way for renewed trade talks. Trump calls it a win as tariffs still loom. Talks aim for a deal by 21st of July, with pressure building ahead of the July 9th tariff deadline. Day 1 of Wimbledon ends in controversy. Taylor Fritz's match is suspended due to the SW19 curfew, with Alexander Zverev's opener also paused. Both matches to resume on day 2.